Hi, my name is Afiq, and here is my friend. So, what are we doing here?
Today we're going to conduct a road safety audit. My name is Muhammad Sharif, and here are my group mates.
Hi, my name is Aisyah. My name is Nur Adila. Hi, my name is Maisara.
So, we are from CEEC 1B, and we're gonna do spot speed study. Let's go!
Road Safety Audit or RSA is independent safety assessment of a road as defined by JKR. Its purpose is to identify potential accident risks for our road users, including driver, motorcyclists, pedestrians and cyclists. The audit looks at the road layout, geometry, traffic flow and surrounding conditions to detect issues like speeding or poor visibility and to propose practical improvement to improve road safety. Next, the RSA was conducted at Jalan Pintau 1/21A, which is located in a hilly area. This road frequently used by the daily commuter, which means there are a lot of traffic interaction and higher risk of safety issue. Next, the main safety issue identified is speeding. This is because it is downhill area where the driver tend to gain speed. The risk is higher because a kindergarten is located along the road, with children and parents frequently crossing during the peak hour. To support this finding, a spot speed study was carried out using radar gun positioned in front of the kindergarten. Vehicle speed were recorded at fixed point for 1 hour to assess the actual driving speed. To conduct spot speed study, first, the radar gun is switched on. Then, the operator aims the radar gun at approaching vehicle to ensure proper alignment for accurate readings. Then, the vehicle speed data is recorded when the beep sound is heard.
For the data analysis, we collected 100 vehicle speed samples. From this data, we grouped the speed and worked out things like the average speed, how often each speed occurred, the percentage and the cumulative value. Based on this result, we produced a frequency histogram, a percentage frequency graph, and a cumulative frequency graph to clearly show how vehicle speed are distributed. From the analysis, we found that most vehicles were travelling above the allowed speed limit for a school zone. This shows that there is a real safety concern, especially considering that the area is used by school children and other pedestrians. So, to deal with the speeding issue, there are a few solutions we can apply based on JKR standard, design guidelines on safety facility for school, and guidelines for the selection of speed limit. First, we can install school zone warning sign. According to JKR, advanced warning sign should be placed before entering a school zone. In this case, school zone and slow down sign should be installed at the top of the hill. This is important because it alerts drivers early before their vehicles start picking up speed as they go downhill. Next, we can introduce reduced speed limit sign. JKR recommend a lower speed limit of around 30 km per hour in school zone. This sign should be placed along downhill section and repeated when necessary to remind drivers to control their speed, especially on a slope where it's easy to go faster without realizing it. Lastly, we can add traffic calming measures such as rumble strip. Rumble strip can be installed on the downhill approach towards the kindergarten. The vibration and noise from the strip act as a warning to the driver that they are entering a sensitive area, encouraging them to slow down naturally without causing discomfort. Overall, this measure works together to help reduce speeding and improve safety around the school zone.
So for the next design road safety element is the road surface. The main problems identified are uneven road surface, road deterioration and potholes. These defects reduce riding quality and create safety hazards for all road users. These problems occur due to several reasons. Firstly, water infiltrations happens when cracks allow rainwater to enter the pavement layers. Secondly, repeated heavy vehicle loading, especially vehicles exceeding the design load. Thirdly, aging pavement and poor compaction. These damaged road conditions can cause loss of vehicle control, sudden braking and swerving by drivers. Motorcyclists face a higher risk of skidding and serious injury, whilst vehicles may suffer tyre damage and suspension failure due to the sudden impact of the tyre and also the potholes from the road. According to JKR road design standards, road surfaces must be smooth, even and structurally sound. JKR Arahan Teknik Jalan emphasizes good riding quality and pavement strength, while the JKR Pavement Maintenance Manual classifies potholes as urgent safety defects requiring immediate action. To mitigate these problems, several solutions are recommended. The first solution is to conduct regular road maintenance such as crack sealing and patching to prevent minor defects from worsening. The second solution is resurfacing uneven and deteriorated road surfaces through miling and overlay as recommended in JKR Arahan Teknik Jalan to restore surface smoothness and proper road profile. The final solution is improving road drainage systems to prevent water ponding and reduce future pavement damage. In conclusion, proper maintenance and rehabilitation in accordance to JKR standards are essential to improve road safety and protect all road users.
Vulnerable road user infrastructure. The problem is there is no zebra crossing for the people to cross the road. Potential consequence, accidents by cars and motorcycles to the people that crossing the roads. By this problem, we can use JKR standard road marking and delineation. Proper solution, put a zebra crossing or raise zebra crossing, refugee island or signalized crossing.
If JKR road set landscaping guidelines are not followed, several risks arise. Trees planted too close to the road become fixed object hazards, increasing accident severity if vehicles leave the carriageway. Overgrown or leaning trees can block driver sight distance and traffic signs, while slopes without retaining walls may erode or fail during heavy rain. This can lead to road damage, lane closures, and high maintenance costs. Overall, ignoring JKR guidelines compromises safety and the long-term reliability of the roadway. To address these issues, JKR recommends providing retaining walls to stabilize roadside slopes and prevent erosion. Large trees should be planted at a safe distance from the road to maintain a clear zone, and their growth should be regularly monitored. Overgrown vegetation that blocks sight distance or traffic signs must be controlled. Regular inspections and maintenance ensure that landscaping does not compromise road safety, creating a safer and more sustainable road environment.
Okay, next, I will talk about visual aid. The main problem of this road is there is no speed ramps. Then, the car park at the side of the road, even though it's prohibited. And the speed of the car usually is very fast. The potential consequence is, of course, the accident by speeding. In this problem, we can use JKR standard, which is standard traffic signs. Proper solution is putting a hazard warning for speeding, more sign prohibited parking, painted advisory zone, street lighting, and cones for temporary.
In conclusion, speeding is the main safety issue along this road, especially due to its downhill alignment and the presence of a kindergarten. The sports day study show that many vehicles were exceeding the school zone speed limit. Therefore, proper warning sign, reduced speed limit, and traffic calming measures are needed to improve safety for all road users, especially children.